In this video, we are going to see how we can cancel the 11 lab subscription. So it's very simple to do. What you can do is just from the main screen, just click on this profile icon of yours. Just click here and click on manage subscription, or you can click on the subscription. Here it will show you the current status and the next payment due. Right below it is the manage subscription option. Just click on that. And here you have all the billing status, including the current credits available and the plan cost. So if you want to cancel it, cancel subscription is right at the bottom. Just click on the cancel subscription, and you still have 200,000 credits remaining that we will utilize later on. 207 minutes of generated audio. So that's good. Click on proceed. And let's say that I want to say low usage. I don't use it anymore. So click on continue. One time offer before you go. It always offers you the best prices to keep your subscription active. But let's continue with the cancel subscription. Click on cancel. But just remember that you will lose your credits like this. So free plan. Now we are subscribed to free plan, which is 10,000 of credits. So just remember of that. And if we want to confirm this, just go to the subscription and manage subscription. And now we are using the free plan. So that's how we do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.